I'm Natalie from Top10.com. We're here to help make your decisions easier. Let's talk about Green Chef. Green Chef is known to be the first organic certified meal kit delivery service, and that's saying a lot. With a varied menu to choose from that covers several dietary requirements, ingredients that are fresh and responsibly sourced, and easy subscription options, it's not surprising that Green Chef has been among the top brands in the industry for almost a decade. Green Chef has 3 specialty menus to choose from: keto and paleo, balanced living, and vegan or vegetarian meals. What's nice about Green Chef is that it includes tips from the chefs on how to get the best results from your recipes and colored photos of the meals. Green Chef stands out as being the first and among the only totally USD certified organic meal kit delivery services. It's known for high quality ingredients that are sustainably sourced from trusted suppliers. Green Chef has several diet specific menus including vegan, keto, and healthy eating. Meals aren't cheap here, but you'll enjoy the superior quality and flavor. I hope this video helped you decide whether Green Chef is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.